Hello guys, our channel name is Damascus Bros, and today we are starting our new journey of Roblox. Now, this is a very good and a very popular game. So, in this video, we are just starting its journey, and I'm going to customize my character. So, yeah. So, like, I don't want this type because I think it's a little. Okay. So, what if I take this one? So that was like okay. So I'm customizing, but it's not happening. Never mind. I'll do this. So first of all, my skin color, not this. It's too no, not too white. No, too brown. No, blue is no. Go. Mm, this will be good. Yeah, type of kinda. This, yeah, okay, so we can use, no, gosh. This is good. I like this. It's just like a little bit of skin with it, like it's looking like that. Now, hair. So, I bought some things from the shop. Oh, no. This looks very, no. These are good. Now, I don't want it to be bold. Now, this. Why is it coming? Oh, this is good. What about this? Bro, this is also good. Now this is no, not this. So we have an option of yellow, blue, or this. So I don't think blue is very good. I think I'll choose this because it has a tinge of some golden in it. You can see that. So now let's go to the heads part. Okay, so what's this? Oh, that's too fat. Oh god. Oh gosh, please. No. This is only good. I like this one only. The simple Roblox style. So now what's this? Now. Oh no. So there are some things here for free. Are there something else in the head one? How about this? Nah, the hair come on his eyes. Just good, but it's a little bulgy on. Oh, it's of Robux too. Nah, nope. Can't give that. Not allowed. Not. I don't want female. What about this? Nah. No. This looks a little bit weird. Oh no. Nah. This looks good actually. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. This looks good. Spread happiness. Now, okay, so everything in this is Robux. So, what's this? Okay. So it's the torso. So I want this. Oh no, gosh. This looks good. Yeah, I am choosing this. This looks good. Right arms. The arms are too. Oh gosh. Oh, we can customize the arm. Yep. So let's do this, and in the left arm, let's do this. Actually, no. No, this is too weird. Let's do this, and in the right arm, we'll do this. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that looks better. Now in the left, no, right leg. Okay. What can we do here? No. Yeah, so this, obviously for that thing. Yeah, this, and in the left leg, we'll have the short form. Yeah, like this. So half Thanos like and half man like. Now the body style, I don't want it to be too slim, nor too tall, nor too short. So let's do in the middle. Now that's too tall. Now, okay, yeah. This is good. I guess it's just in the middle. Now body size, no. Towards the fat, because yeah, it doesn't look fat there. Now, no, not in animation. Wait, yep, clothing, yeah. Now hats. I have two. Oh gosh. Oh no gosh. Oh gosh. Wait. Oh no gosh. No. No hat. I don't want hat. Hats are bad. Wait. Arey, what was the difference? Oh, okay. This is only good. It's matching. T-shirts. One. Why can't I equip it? It's maybe because of the outfit, I guess. So, nah. Pants. Oh, this looks cool. Nah, no. This looks cool. I'm using this. Face accessories. 6 minutes. What about the... Nah. I want this guy to show his face. Now, neck accessories can be nothing. Don't have shoulder accessories. Let's look at the front accessories. Nothing. Back accessories. Oh, one thing is there. Oh, this looks cool. I'm using that. Oh, waist accessories. Okay, nothing. Gear. What about this gear thingy? Nothing. Oh wait, something is here. What's this egg phone? How does it look? Oh no. Oh gosh, no. What about no? Nothing. Nah, nothing. What's this? Back. No. I don't want. No, I don't want. Go to the animation part now. So here, everything literally is. This is only good without that, because this looks a little bit. No. Yeah, this is good. That's better. Now what is walk? Walk. Yeah, almost the same. Run. Yeah. Without that it's the same. With it is the same. Jump. Jump is the same. Oh, this is better. This jump is better. Fall. What about fall, bro? Okay. Okay. This is why he's trying to fly and then he falls. So the emotes are selected. So I did first this, and then I did this one. Why is his hand going like that? Oh gosh. Then this I did. Then this. Then this. And then this. I got all these in the free part. How does the floss look like? Oh bro, it's good. So I think this is it for today. I like this thing, this character I customized. We'll have some videos after this on some tycoons. So yeah, let's go for today. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.